It's taking a while for Odyssey to kick in. Oh, it's like moving slow today.
This may sound routine, but don't be fooled. This is the calm before sentencing. Administrative delays, paperwork, names being called. This is the machinery of justice warming up. And once it starts moving, it doesn't slow down for anyone.
For some reason. Mr. Porter, you had something? I don't know. Is it something with this case? Oh, let me see.
See, that'd be way before the time, that's what.
All righty.
Yeah.
All right, Deputy Laura? On Napoleon Vasquez, Norma, he's to be here tomorrow. Just a moment.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I
What pages? I'm sorry, what's his name? Could I see the paperwork on Findicio Gonzalez, please? All right, let's bring him in. Deputies.
And here we go. Sentencing is not about guilt anymore. That part is over. This phase is about how much damage the court believes was done and whether the defendant deserves mercy or maximum punishment.
We're going to proceed with the sentencing on Findicio Gonzalez. No problem.
Is the jury coming in? Oh.
Thank you.
My name is Detective Lynn, and you're Alicia, what's your last name?
Alisa Ramirez,
And what's your date of birth, Miss Ramirez?
10/20/1985.
So, do you know this gentleman?
I don't know him other than 4 days ago.
Okay, how did you meet 4 days ago?
I met him.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me do this and then I'll be able to take that up. And Norma, on that one, I believe it's Mr. Cox. If you could call him, please. All right, thank you.
I'm gonna bring him up.
Yes. Court is calling 2025 CR 009869 State versus Fidencio Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
See?
Okay, it's not as I think we have one place.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez? You entered a plea to count 2. According to your plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application, and they're taking in consideration 2025 CR 012507. Let me see. Was the PSI waived in this case?
No, you're okay.
All right. Have both.
This is a big moment that often gets overlooked. The PSI pre-sentence investigation report can make or break sentencing. No objections here means the defense is accepting the narrative the court is about to rely on. That's huge.
Both parties had a chance to review the PSI report. Any objections, defense?
No.
All right, state, do you have any witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
Defense, do you have witnesses?
We have one.
All right, call your witness.
One over here.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up so everyone can hear your testimony. If you'll state your name for the record. All right, you may proceed.
Ms. Gonzalez, you are married to the Peninsula Development, is that correct? And you understand that today the judge is in decision on this application for probation, that's all. I understand that you want to address the court prior to her. Is that correct? Yeah, wanted to, but what is it that you want to do before?
This is mine. And what we have on top. It has been kind of hard, but I still put, I'm in the community. This is the clerk office.
The pre-sentence investigation report indicates that you have certain form of condition. What is your? And how does that affect you? Do that they would and you how long you have these stalls? It's a regular weekly occurrence, right? So when you're unable to get out of things, who is it that assists you around the house with your son? What kind of things does he do? Is that important to maintain the household? You have anybody else that step in and take that role? You understand that this year has problems with. You think if you an opportunity. Assistant in way you could. Good means driving to do it. And you think that he's in a position to be successful? You and he have had opportunity to discuss this case over for last week. Has he indicated what's going about what happened? You could go back and change. You were present this once Kurt was out. It was just a whole lot of decisions. Pretty much set up.
It's a bad pen.
The week that absolutely.
This pause matters. What the defense is doing right now is shifting gears, away from facts and into human impact. This is where family, health, and dependence come into play. It's not about excuses, it's about reminding the judge that this sentence affects more than one person.
All right, before you cross off the record for a moment, Okay.
Somebody else talks, whatever.
Okay, now I remember. All right, you may proceed.
Yeah. So,
Hamilton
any
Dolphin
questions?
joins as I represent the seat of Pepsi.
Well, you want to have standing. The first thing you gotta get on.
We're married on the 11th conference.
Work yourself. In
Is that correct?
this case, you tell
And
them.
Mr. Gonzalez shared because we say we found some, that's what, is your son from around? Yes, yes. Would it surprise you to learn he was the PSI officer that you're signing? Everybody will be using, so what Mr. Gonzalez told the PSI officer. Does Mr. Gonzalez have any dependents? What do you think that someone can do on this?
All right, any other questions? All right, thank you for coming in. Any other witnesses?
You understood.
All right, you can come forward. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, you may proceed.
And it's a unison. To address what part of that decision.
I don't think remorse is near. Another right word is they go away. I'll be understand what for they said about the jump. Still be. I don't see. I don't know. Words I put my Bible.
You got the tape? Oh.
I really wish I
Did she- did she do it?
She
did.
But I remember texting back and forth with her from point in time because her phone was actually one of the they have to text.
All I do is I need to see the
Okay, so here's the thing. This is what I don't understand, and I want to get to the crux of the issues. I don't understand how you say you've been to prison, you learned from that, and now we're here with somebody being hit over their head with a bottle. And it's an elderly person.
This is the judge drawing a hard line. Past lessons, past prison time, none of it matters if the behavior repeats, especially when the victim is elderly. This is the moment where sympathy collides with accountability.
Right.
So explain.
Definitely said that shit. I can wear under the influence.
You just think about a couple of things.
I was just,
Like it's really good.
honestly, I was just trying to get quiet.
Communication is key.
But you're not fighting.
But it wasn't blind.
It's the cemetery.
I know it's. Been 10 years.
Big people.
I mean, I'm not trying to use it, but I haven't argued it.
No,
That's
it's-
just- Next time. So I know that. If that, but I know that. Honestly.
But in the police report, you know what it says? In the police report, it says that this person was trying to stop a fight and he ends up getting hit in the head with a glass bottle.
So.
No, I mean, I'm reading, this is what it says.
Send it up. And I don't know if the court recalled or she, did you view the video?
Yes, I did.
In
They
that
don't
video,
like it, they're gonna get a check.
what you'll see is the complaining witness goes outside a door to where the NCO and his family are. He then comes inside and he's just standing at a table, and then there's a rush to go one over there. He's not involved in separating it from something. So I think There was a whole lot of stuff going on that day, and there was a separate incident going on.
Oh, now I know there's a separate incident. I
Yes.
remember this. There's a separate incident. There's a shooting involved and there's all of this other thing that's going on. I understand.
When
Okay.
And she'd say, bring it up to me.
Venancio wants,
Right?
for the Cruz,
Not with table.
he's not still crucified, separating or stopping, that the video shows of pulling the Cruz back into what he's initially trying to go out.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's Della Serta. Yes. Okay. You may continue if you have something else you want me to know.
Subside. They never paid you the 5 days.
Does that help you?
I was really,
That actually hurt.
that's enough. So what I've been trying to do. My family.
Well, see, here's the thing. People always say their family needs them, but they don't think about that beforehand.
That kind of, I'm not trying to go into everything. Was about that happening, and shit that has been. Do everything to figure out, anything that ever happened, like off camera where nobody has seen. I'm the one always trying to know why we're walking away from that big. Very unfortunate and different. That's never happened.
Right.
State, any questions?
Mr. Gonzalez, you would agree that you've been on probation. Well, in 2007, you were on probation for a theft, is that correct?
Part of it is. It's a question.
You can't recall. Okay, would it surprise you to learn that you were put on deferred adjudication and that probation was later revoked? You can't remember?
I'll get up and say-
Was that, you know? I've grown up a lot. I've grown up a lot. I was 16, 17, I was just one.
And then in 2009, how was it open? Okay, and you recall the convicted in life?
I was in jail, so I was in prison already.
Okay, and then again in 2007, you were sentenced, is that correct?
That was for all the same thing, at the same
Yes.
time.
Do you recall what offense it was though on 12/3/2007? The aggravated robbery, yes. And you were sentenced, correct?
That's one.
So how can you reconcile to this court that you were changed if it was only 4 years between that parole discharge and then your?
Or discharge?
Mhm.
Well, from the moment that it happened, yeah. And I know that from the time that it discharged, there's some things. Where I went into prison, I was 19 and I was a kid still. And whatever that I went through, I grew up and I'm not that same person anymore. I'm a adult. I understand everything that's going on and that's why I try to stay away from the problems. I'm just trying to just build my life and build a family, and that's it. I would never want to be in this program. I never imagined myself being here again ever in my life. It makes me sick.
If you are here again, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, right?
All right, any other witnesses? All right, the court will hear argument. State.
Your Honor, we'd be asking for you to sentence for 10 years, and deny the defendant's application. He's already taken a trip to TDC for a violent offense that was paroled 4 years prior to the same offense, so because of his history and the nature of the underlying offense.
Defense.
Your Honor, the aggravated offense that he had occurred in 2007. He was 19 years old. He spent a large amount of time locked up and on parole. He successfully charged parole. He was revoked. So he did well on parole and did well for the 4 years in parole this case happened. As the court knows, it was a lot of things going on at that bar. It was tragic. It affected Mr. McFarland and his wife. Honestly, he's changed from the old business. If he was in prison, that's inaccurate. It's true. This particular night, though, things got out of control and all the way around and made a bad decision. I understand that the court's in a difficult position, and making the decision that they have feel comfortable that you're letting the court know that he's been reliable, he's been trustworthy, he's done what he said he's supposed to do while he's been on this monitor lately. We would ask the court to take a chance on him and give him an opportunity to show the court that he can in fact succeed. If he screws up, then but I don't believe that's going to happen. He and his family will position successful.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna have,
This is a strategic delay. Judges don't do this lightly. Taking the decision overnight means the court is weighing punishment versus potential. Tomorrow isn't just a date, it's the difference between hope and a decade behind bars.
you come back here tomorrow at 9. Attorney, you need to be here exactly at 9. And at that time, I'll give you my decision. All right. Thank you. Ms. Ferguson, if you can give them a reset form for 9. Thank you.
Okay. And see maybe, see what cities have different, what of them.
And Deputy Laura, the other people will need to be back here tomorrow at 9.
No, no, because they have the burden. So whoever has a